How to use Zangi Messenger app. Here is a simple guide on how to use the Zangi Messenger app, whether you are new to it or just looking to get the most out of it. First of all, Zangi is a secure private messaging app that offers free calls, video, and chats with a strong focus on privacy and low data uses even on slow internet. First of all, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download and install the app. Once installed, then open the app. Now simply tap on the register option available there if you are new to it, or if you already have an account, then tap on the sign in and enter your credentials. Then tap on the continue option available there. I tapped on the register because I do not have any account in Zangi. Now again tap on the continue option available there. Now tap on the allow for all the contacts to be attached to your Zangi Messenger app for your easy access for messaging to your friends or families. Enter your first name and last name, then tap on the continue option available there. All you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions to create a Zangi account. So now, once you have created a Zangi account, all you have to do is tap on the chat icon and start a new conversation with any of your contacts or friends. You can also make them free calls, or you can use Zangi out optional, which is also a paid feature of it, and that is it. Zangi stores unsent messages on your devices until you are online again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.